Hey y'all, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean's Home Decor and More. The other day it was super cold here in the DMV, so today it is absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to paint the rims of these chairs and down the bottom. They needed to be tightened up a bit. So there's some from before, and let me see, you can see how dull they are. You can see a little, we didn't cover them up this year, which we should have. And see that little spider? Look at him. He has got to go. When I get over there, he's got to go. But anyway, this is why I don't come out, guys, in the summertime. I can't be dealing. Oh, and he's a flying spider? Oh, get the heck out of here. I've never seen that before. Hence, I don't come outside that much in the summer. So here's the ones that I have painted, touched up, and you can see it's a big difference. You see that? Big difference. So, I'm looking forward to, here's the umbrella. We've refreshed the umbrella because the sun faded the last one. So we had to refresh that. And I'll tighten up this table. Um, and so anyway, that's that. That is that. I'm working. It's a work in progress. You guys have an amazing day. Let me get back to work.